Hey friends, welcome back for Doggy Disguises. Today we are going to be drawing a dog that is dressed like a cow. But this dog isn't super thrilled to be dressed as a cow, which can you blame him? But that's okay. Super cute, super fun. Go ahead and grab your paper and your favorite thing to draw with, and let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and do it. So we're gonna leave some space here. I'm gonna make my doggy kind of standing. So I'm gonna start with a nice wide curve. And let's go ahead and just add in, I guess it would be a bull, because we are adding in horns apparently. All right, I'm gonna just bring the lines down a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and make the little head hole for our dog. All right, so they're gonna be so happy. Let's make a nice juicy nose, shade in the top, leave a little white gap, shade in the bottom. And you know what? I don't know if this dog is gonna be very happy. Let's make him actually like not super thrilled. Well, maybe not mad, but maybe just like slightly unamused. All right, now let's go ahead and continue this circle kind of going down here. Cow ears, we're gonna do 2 curved lines that go out, 2 that go in. I like to do them at the same time. I just feel like I have a better chance of making them symmetrical. So that's why I do that. Okay, so this is the top of our doggy. And now let's go ahead and draw a little bit of a line down. And I'm not going to fully connect this, but I am just gonna do like a little bit of a curve just to show that this is the front of the body, because we're gonna be adding, it's more like gonna be on like a 3/4 view. So let's kind of connect it there. All right, let's make this dog standing. I'm gonna do a little curve underneath. This is the chest. I'm gonna do a straight line that goes down and make it a little wider. And it goes straight down, kind of narrowing as you go. Let's make another leg. Again, I just kind of like to do them at the same time. I feel like I have a better chance of making them look symmetrical than finishing one and then trying another one. All right, so let's do our paws. These paws are facing forward, so they're kind of be slightly curved. And let's add a few little lines here. And now we're gonna make our dog going back. So one thing when you're making something going back, we have to remember the back legs are farther away, so they're gonna be a little higher on the paper. They're not gonna be fully lined up with the dog's front legs. So let's we'll draw a diagonal line going back and another line going back. And then let's just kind of close it off and connect. Okay. The back leg of our dog here is going to be, a little bit thicker at the top. And then we'll just do 2 lines that go down. And again, just kind of curved, and we'll draw our line there. And this dog is a little bit more, this leg is a little bit more on a slant. And so I'm gonna do the leg kind of facing the side a little bit more. I think to make it look like a cow, I'm gonna add a bell on the front. All right, and then, of course we have our dog's real tail, but we might wanna do like a cow tail kind of hanging down. And if you wanted to add udders, you can. I'm thinking because this is a cow with horns, I wouldn't need to do that. But then let's go ahead and add where the costume kind of starts and ends. So this, I'm gonna connect this line. So this is where the front legs are open, and then the rest of this is the costume. And then let's go ahead and just add some really fun, loose, wiggly little shapes here. These are organic shapes. They almost look like spilled milk. We'll add some that are bigger, smaller, imperfect. Okay, and we have to add it again also at the top here. I like to make sure my spots go off the edge so they're not just floating in space. A couple can, but really most of them are gonna go off the edge there. Okay, there is my dog. This dog is not as happy as my garden gnome dog with their Halloween choice, but you know what? We can't always win. One thing you can do that's kind of fun when you have a leg that's further away on the other side is adding a little bit of shading to it, whether it's hatching or cross hatching. I'm just adding a little bit of shadow in that spot there, just because it's further away. Let's add a few extra little, there. Okay, you know what? This poor doggy, they're a good sport, but they're just not having it, so that's okay. All right, tomorrow we're gonna do another doggy, so be sure to join us and draw our cute little doggies. Dress up for Halloween then. All right, see you then.